everyone, welcome to World Digest with me, Angela Kufo. China completes the first fully unmanned paving project using drones and robots. In an incredible achievement that leaves the world in awe, China has accomplished the world's first fully unmanned paving project. This groundbreaking endeavor, which saw the deployment of cutting-edge drones, AI-powered robots, and autonomous machinery on the Beijing-HK Expressway covering a 157.79 kilometer stretch, is a giant leap towards the future of infrastructure development. It also represents China's years of dedicated research and investment in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and drone technology. The Sany Unmanned Construction Vehicle Group achieved this groundbreaking feat. The group completed the world's first fully unmanned highway paving project, resurfacing a 158-kilometer stretch of the Beijing-Hong Kong-Macau Expressway using drones and autonomous robots. Unmanned 20-meter wide pavers, 13T double steel roller, and 30T rubber wheel rollers formed a 1+3+3+3 lineup using smart algo and Beidou centimeter level positioning and low latency communication network to ensure optimal path planning and rolling quality. Sany's SAP 200C10 large width unmanned paver achieved 19.25 meter width paving. Imagine, we no longer need workers to build roads. All they need to do is monitor so that nothing terrible happens. Should the world be worried about China's increasing and groundbreaking success in drone technology? Earlier this year, China set the record for the largest drone show in the world, a 10,000 drone show held in Shenzhen. The incredible feat in drone technology are no joke, as China already controls and supplies over 70% of world drone production. As the West sees China's rise in drone technology as a strategy to influence modern warfare, the Asian giant sees it as a new milestone in their complete dormancy in drone technology and artificial intelligence. In case you are wondering, it is not the first time actually China has deployed an unmanned system leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. These groundbreaking feats were evident in the 912 project, which involved the use of unmanned submarines to carry out missions in coordinated efforts. The Zhu Haiyun, the world's first semi-autonomous drone carrier, autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, for mine placement, surveillance, and even suicide attacks against enemy vessels, and swarm robotics. Now let's take you back to the basics. Historically, road construction has been labor-intensive and dependent on human oversight. From ancient stone-paved roads to modern highways, the process has always required skilled labor and time-consuming effort. But today, technology has redefined the way we build. The combined use of intelligent paving robots equipped with GPS and laser sensors for precise alignment and leveling. These machines communicate wirelessly with a command center and adjust their operations in real time as the drones map the construction sites from above. They use AI to analyze terrain data and ensure that every inch of the road surface meets exact specifications. Their autonomous capabilities allow them to detect obstacles and avoid collisions, making the process safer and more efficient. China's ability to construct roads with very less human labor is undeniably impressive. However, as the country's unemployment rate rises, it has also sparked valid concerns about unemployment, particularly among the young. This emerging issue, which has raised human rights concerns, is widely reported by Western media and they call for collective empathy and concern. Recent protests against Chinese state-owned construction companies owing workers billions of unpaid wages underscore these concerns and the need for a balanced approach to technological advancement. China's inability to balance its technological advancement with the increased rise in workers' concerns about unpaid wages and poor working conditions. This underscores China's quest to become the #1 leading powerhouse in drone technology, but could also lead to social unrest and political instability that can disrupt production, damaging China's reputation as a stable and attractive location for foreign investment and technological collaboration. The way forward is for China to be more balanced in its technological advancement with human inclusion as it increases its groundbreaking achievements in unmanned AI-powered systems. Many critics, including myself, are alarmed by the rise in the capabilities of AI-powered robots in executing jobs initially deemed exclusive for humans. We are all in danger of technological advancement, as one day we can see robots reading the news and giving critical analysis on television. As you marveled at China's groundbreaking achievement, what is the future for road construction and technological advancement? China's unmanned paving project is just the tip of the iceberg. The technological advancement extends far beyond road construction, paving the way literally for the future of urban and rural development. Soon, fully autonomous construction could become the norm in building smart cities and sustainable infrastructure globally.